Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to add outline borders to elements in Canva. First, create a blank page on your Canva. Let's use sticker size template for this tutorial. Next, click the element at the sidebar. Add the element you want to outline. It could be an image, graphic, icon, text, or even a shape. Here's the trick. With your element selected, click Edit Image at the upper left. Scroll down and look for the Effects section. Click the shadow, then select the Outline option. Slide the size to right or left to control how thick or thin the border appears. You can also adjust the color to your preferences. Now, let's create another Canva element set to review the steps. If you will create outline to multiple element, you can just use the copy the style of the element with your preferred outline. With your element selected, click the paint icon above or right-click, then select copy the style, then select the next graphic. Repeat the process to copy the styles to all your elements and finish your design. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now you can add bold, eye-catching borders to any element in Canva. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, please support us by hitting like button. See you in my next video.